Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the science class. This is your science book which is Science Fact File 1. Students, we have been starting the second chapter which is Life and Living Things. Today we will cover the topic sense organs on the page number 24. So let's start reading and understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Sense make us aware of what is going on around us and in our own body. There are 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell and taste. And each of these senses have its own sense organ. For example, the sense organ of sight is eyes, the sense organ of hearing is ear. Now we will cover the topic eyes, which is the sense organ of sight. Our eyes in socket in the skull. Students, here you can see the socket in the skull which helps the eyes to protect them from damage. Sockets help करते हैं कि हमारी eyes को protect कर सकें ताकि वो damage ना हो. The eyes are held in place by muscles which also move our eyes up and down and from side to side. Students, here you can see the movement of eyes up and down and from side to side. These are the muscles which helps to move the eyes up and down and from side to side. We have 2 eyes a few centimeters apart. This helps us to judge distance and find the position of things easily. Each eye sees a slightly different image. The brain puts the 2 images together to give a 3D means 3-dimensional effect. Means हमारी जो दोनों आइज़ हैं वो जो भी इमेज देखती हैं हमारा ब्रेन उन दोनों इमेज को कलेक्ट करके एक 3D इमेज को प्रोड्यूस कर देता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड स्टीरियोस्कोपिक विजन. Students, you can see this diagram on the page number 24, and in this diagram you have seen the different parts of eyes. There is the first part which is cornea, and it is rough and clear part of the eye. The second one is water liquid or jelly like substance which helps the eyeball to keep its shape. This color part is iris. In the middle of the iris there is a pupil, and these are the muscles which helps to change the shape of the lens, and these are also muscles which helps the eyeball to move. And this is the retina that contains nerve cells, and these are the optic nerve means bundle of nerves which carry signals to the brain. I hope you understand the different part of eye. Now we learn about the how do eyes work. First of all, rays of light from the object pass through the cornea, pupil and the lens, and the rays are strike the retina and set up the signal in some of the nerve cells, and these nerve cells send signals to the brain along the optic nerve, and the picture of the image forms on the retina in inverted form. So let's start reading. Light from an object enters the eye through a hole called a pupil. Light from an object enters the eye through a hole called pupil. The light rays is entered into the eyes through a hole is called pupil. The light is focused by cornea and lens to produce a sharp image on the retina. The image is small and upside down means inverted. Here you can see that the image of this object is small on the retina and the image is inverted at the side of retina. The lens is made of a jelly-like substance. The shape of the lens can be changed by a ring muscles running around its edge. Here you can see the ring muscles, and the shape of the lens is changed by these muscles. This enables us to focus on object at different distances. The amount of light entering the eye is controlled by the iris. Here is iris, and the light is controlled by this iris. The muscle of iris change the size of the pupil to allow more or less light to pass through. Friends, in this you can see the effect of light on the pupil.
That enters the pupil by using special muscles, constricting to decrease light and dilating to allow more in. This behavior explains why the pupil increases in size when it is subjected to dark environments and decreases in brighter ones. The normal
Friends, on the retina are millions of light sensitive nerve cells. The brain interprets signal from the retina and produce the picture that you see. स्टूडेंट्स, रेटिना के ऊपर बहुत से लाइट सेंसिटिव नर्व सेल्स होते हैं जो कि हमारे ब्रेन तक सिग्नल्स लेके जाते हैं और हमारा ब्रेन इसको इंटरप्रेट करता है और एक इमेज प्रोड्यूस कर देता है जो कि हम देख सकते हैं. डिड यू नो इफ़ द ह्यूमन आई was a digital camera, it would have a resolution of 576 megapixels. Students, now we will cover the test yourself number 5 on the page number 25. So let's start. Question number 1 is, what does the ring of muscle around the lens do? The answer is, the shape of lens can be changed by a ring of muscle running around its edge. This enables us to focus on objects at different distances. The question number 2 is, describe the image produced on retina. The answer is, the image produced on retina is small and upside down, means inverted. This happens due to refraction of light through convex shape lens. The question number 3 is, explain what happens to the iris and pupil when you walk into a dark room and turn on a bright light. मीन्स अगर आप किसी डार्क रूम में जाते हैं और आप ब्राइट लाइट को टर्न ऑन करते हैं तो आपके आइरस और प्यूपल के साथ क्या होता है. द आंसर इज़, व्हेन वी वॉक इनटू अ डार्क रूम आइरस डायलेट एंड एज अ रिजल्ट साइज ऑफ प्यूपल इंक्रीज. दिस अलाउज मोर लाइट टू एंटर द आई. मीन्स अगर आप डार्क रूम में जाते हैं तो आपका जो पीपल का साइज़ है वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइट आपकी आइज़ के अंदर जा सके. एंड व्हेन यू टर्न ऑन ब्राइट लाइट द आइरस कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट एंड एज अ रिजल्ट द साइज ऑफ पीपल डिक्रीज. लेसर अमाउंट ऑफ लाइट कैन एंटर द आई. इन दिस वे द इंटीरियर ऑफ आई रिमेन सेफ फ्रॉम द ब्राइट लाइट. मीन्स ब्राइट लाइट में जो प्यूपल का साइज़ है वो डिक्रीज़ हो जाता है ताकि कम से कम लाइट जो है वो आइज़ के अंदर जा सके ताकि हमारी आइज़ ब्राइट लाइट से सेफ रहें. स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी कवर द टॉपिक आइज़ एंड टेस्ट योर सेल्फ नंबर 5 ऑन द पेज नंबर 25. I hope you understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.